What's up guys, Shannon Sagan here, 1-800-FLA Lawyer, aka the Dash Cam Lawyer. Want to just show you how one of the dash cams that I have in one of my daily cars works. Come on in and let's check it out. Right here you can see I have it set up on the right side of the rear view. That way it's not taking up any visual space. And let's come on in. All right, so we're inside the car. Basically what happens is as soon as car is started, the dash cam comes on automatically. And I like to have it positioned behind the rear view mirror so that it's not taking up any of my visual view. There's actually some laws where you are not allowed to have anything obstructing your vision. So you just want to make sure you don't have any legal issues as far as the dash cam being put in a spot where you can't see out the window. So I like to have it behind the rear view. I don't even know it's there, but as you see, it loads up. So when you go on the main menu of this thing, you can see all your options. Resolution, audio, that's something that's subjective that you could either put on or not. I like to have my audio off. Date stamps, loops, sensors, speed, GPS. This is, again, all this is subjective and personal preferences. You can have speed limits and units. And then there's the Wi-Fi portion, which is what you need in order to download a video or photo in case you need something. Language, time, date, and you could just play with this on and on. But for me, I just set up the basic, do a basic setup. It'll go back to the main screen in a minute. And then on this side here, you can see I have the SD card. And when you buy an SD card, you just got to make sure you format that right away. And once it's formatted, that's it. Gives it more memory and allows it to record more videos. It's very simple, plug and play. Like I said, as soon as you turn my car on, it's good to go. And even when I get out of the car, it'll record just for a little bit longer. And there's nothing that you really need to do other than make sure when you get in your car occasionally that you hear that noise when it's starting up, and make sure that the screen is coming on. So that's it. It's a pretty basic thing, and it's something that's going to save you hassle if you're in an accident and it's not your fault. It's going to help you reduce your insurance premiums if you're in an accident, keep you from getting dropped potentially, and you know, you don't have to do anything once you purchase it and install it. There's really nothing else that you need to do. And I think everyone should have one in their car. So I installed this myself. You could have it done professionally. What I did was I ran the wire, tucked it in all the way up along here, down into this pillar, and I ran it all the way down up under the glove box. And you can see I had it tucked in here, and it comes around where it plugs into a cigarette lighter. Nothing fancy at all, as you can see, but it does the job. There are professionals and there's shops that will do these installations for you, tuck the wires a little better. To me, it doesn't matter how it looks, just as long as it's running. But that's how I ran the wire, and it didn't take me that long. So if you have any questions about dash cams, if you have an accident, if you need to get some legal advice, give me a call. Consultation is free. You can call me at 1-800-FLA Lawyer. You can find me on my website at 1-800-FLALawyer.com, or if you're heavy on social medias, you can connect with me through any of the major social media platforms. Shannon Sagan or 1-800-FLA Lawyer is where you'll find me.